Hello friends. The title of the video is Paradiplomacy and India. Paradiplomacy is an international relation conducted by subnational or regional government on their own with a view to promoting their own interest. The concept of paradiplomacy was first proposed in 1990 by John Kincaid. John Kincaid outlined a foreign policy role for the local governments within a democratic federal system. Economic diplomacy related to trade and investment in particular has become an institutionalized practice across the world now. The paradiplomacy owes its origin to the globalization. As the world economy has become increasingly global, subnational units, that is, region, states, province and even cities, find their functions and activities circumscribed by the global system. Federalism is also a key contributor to the growth of paradiplomacy. The distribution of legislative power between union and state in India is quite explicit. So, the paradiplomacy can play a significant role in traditional diplomacy. For example, West Bengal might be better placed to enhance diplomatic relation with the government in its neighbor, that is, Bangladesh and Bhutan. In addition to improving bilateral relation between their common Bengali diaspora, Bengal and Bangladesh can potentially reinforce their ties over the issue of water sharing, inland water trade, and illegal migration. To conclude, paradiplomacy has the potential to reinforce the federal structure of the Indian state. Similarly, it can radically alter the trajectory of Indian foreign policy by helping regional governments to realize their potential in the conduct of cross-border relations. Thank you for watching my video.